honest, does this look like a silk press sew-in? This is not my real hair, and that's the scary part. This wig definitely already out the box comes beautiful. So what I am gonna do, help you guys get the most natural look out of it. I am going to take the bands out the hair a little bit. So as you can see, this wig comes with some layers, beautiful layers, nice, beautiful brown ombre at the ends. This is the finished result. I really like the way the hair turned out. With this style being silky, the layers make a difference on having some body in the hair, of course, so I love that they decided to add the layers.